We start off our news with a quick recap of the just concluded speech of His Excellency President Paul Kagame to the Rwandan citizens concerning COVID-19. President Paul Kagame thanked Rwandans and the outstanding support to the government by observing necessary measures put in place by concerning authorities. He commended the medics for their relentless efforts to attend the needy, especially those in quarantine. He also thanked the World Health Organization Director, Dr. Tedros, and Jack Ma Foundation for their contribution and support towards the end of COVID-19. The head of state also reiterated that the government will continue working with the private sector in pursuit of safe and concrete partnerships in ensuring that all services are available for the Rwandans. And of course, he called for continued support and adherence to the measures that are given to all Rwandans during this time. Also with news just in, an update on COVID-19 coronavirus. 4 new coronavirus cases were identified today, bringing the total to 54. One traveler who arrived from Dubai and who has been isolated. One traveler who arrived from the USA and has been isolated. Now, 2 contacts of the previously confirmed positive travelers who were detected through tracing and isolation. All patients are under treatment and in stable condition in an isolated health facility. The majority are not asymptomatic and no patient is in critical condition. The tracing of all contacts has been conducted for further management. Now, heightened vigilance continues to be required. The enhanced prevention measures announced by the government of Rwanda must rigorously be observed. Non-essential businesses are closed. Travel between cities and districts is suspended, and non-essential movements outside their homes are not permitted. Any Rwandans or legal residents returning to the country will be subject to a mandatory 14-day quarantine at designated locations. The cooperation of Rwandans and residents is greatly appreciated, as are the efforts of those who are working hard in the health sector, who continue to be supported and appropriately protected as they work to protect for the health and safety of all the citizens in the country. Now they are also under observed instructions of health authorities, particularly washing hands regularly and maintaining physical distance from other people of at least 1 meter. The key symptoms of coronavirus are dry cough, shortness of breath and fever. Anyone who is experiencing these symptoms should call toll-free number 114 or dial *114# for automated screening, or email callcenter@rbc.gov.rw or send a WhatsApp message to +250 788 2020 80 or contact a medical professional. Let's continue to work together to defeat this pandemic. Message from the Ministry of Health.